Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a sway bar link on your Dodge Ram 1500. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a jack stands, and a socket set. Park your truck on a flat, stable surface and set the parking brake. Then, carefully lift the front of the vehicle and place it securely on jack stands for safety. This preparation is crucial before starting any work. Now, let's get to removing the old sway bar link. You'll find it connecting the sway bar to the lower control arm. Using the correct size wrench or socket, carefully loosen and remove the top nut first. Once that's off, proceed to remove the bottom nut. With both nuts detached, you can now pull the old sway bar link free from its mounting points. It should come out easily. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. Also, on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Seriously, go darn tough with their amazing lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable. You can find the link for these awesome socks and other deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old link out, it's time to install the new one. Start by positioning the new sway bar link into the upper mounting point on the sway bar. Hand tighten the new nut onto the top stud to hold it in place. Next, connect the bottom of the link to the lower control arm. Again, hand tighten the bottom nut. This ensures everything is aligned before final tightening. Now for the crucial final steps. Using a torque wrench, tighten both the top and bottom nuts to your Dodge Ram's manufacturer specifications. This is vital for safety and proper function. Once tightened, double-check all connections to ensure they are completely secure. Finally, carefully lower your truck off the jack stands and remove them. Take it for a short test drive to confirm everything feels right.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.